how to create an auto-updating album in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Gallery app. Next, in here, we tap on Albums tab at the bottom. And then go to the top and tap on the Add button. Next, in here, tap on Auto Updating Album. Here's a create an album that automatically collects pictures of people you select. So tap on that and give it a name. And then tap on create. Okay, so here you don't seem to have any pictures of people on the phone. When the phone automatically detects there are people in pictures, it will offer you to select the picture profile. Once you have selected them, then it will go ahead and create the auto updating album. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.